Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have grown in popularity in recent years. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? Let's take a look at it. Cryptocurrency is fundamentally decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. Bitcoin, which debuted in 2008, was the first cryptocurrency and is still by far the most popular, influential, and well-known. Since then, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum have grown in popularity as digital alternatives to government-issued money. By market capitalization, the most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Dogecoin. Tezos, Solana, and Cardano are some other well-known cryptocurrencies. Some are comparable to Bitcoin. Others are built on different technologies or have new features that enable them to do more than just transfer money. Crypto allows value to be transferred online without the need for a middleman such as a bank, allowing value to be transferred globally, near instantly, and 24/7 for low fees. Typically, no government or other central authority issues or controls cryptocurrencies. Peer-to-peer networks of computers running free, open-source software manage them. In general, anyone who wishes to participate is welcome. How secure is crypto if no bank or government is involved? It's safe because all transactions are verified by a blockchain technology. A cryptocurrency blockchain is similar to a bank's ledger or balance sheet. Each currency has its own blockchain, which is a continuously re-verified record of every single transaction ever made with that currency. Unlike a bank's ledger, a crypto blockchain is distributed across the entire network of the digital currency. It is not controlled by any company, country, or third party, and anyone can participate. A blockchain is a revolutionary technology that has only recently been made possible by decades of computer science and mathematical advances. Let's see the key concepts. Transferability. Transactions with people on the other side of the world become as simple as paying with cash at your local grocery store. Privacy. When you pay with cryptocurrency, you don't have to give the merchant any unnecessary personal information. This means that your financial information will not be shared with third parties such as banks, payment services, advertisers, or credit rating agencies. And, because no sensitive information is sent over the internet, there is very little chance that your financial information will be compromised or your identity will be stolen. Portability. Because your cryptocurrency holdings aren't tied to a financial institution or government, you can access them no matter where you are in the world or what happens to any of the major intermediaries in the global financial system. Transparency. Every transaction on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Ripple networks is publicly available. This means that there is no room for transaction manipulation, changing the money supply, or changing the rules in the middle of the game. Irreversibility. Cryptocurrency payments, unlike credit card payments, cannot be reversed. This significantly reduces the likelihood of fraud for merchants. For customers, it has the potential to reduce transaction costs by eliminating one of the major justifications credit card companies use for their high processing fees. Safety. The Bitcoin network has never been hacked. And the fundamental concepts underlying cryptocurrencies contribute to their security. The systems are permissionless, and the core software is open source, allowing countless computer scientists and cryptographers to examine all aspects of the networks. Security. Almost all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Cardano, are protected by blockchain technology, which is constantly checked and verified by massive computing power. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto-related videos.